In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook show my replies. If you've ever opened an email thread and wondered where your own replies went, this quick setting in Outlook on the web will make everything appear together in one clean conversation. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your account so you can access your inbox. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. From here, choose Mail to jump into the full settings area. This is where Outlook keeps the options that affect how your messages look and behave. In the left sidebar, select Layout. Layout controls the structure of your inbox and message list. Now, find the section called Message Organization. This area determines how emails are grouped and shown. To make Outlook show your replies in the same thread as the messages you receive, turn on Group Messages by Conversation. Conversation View collects all related emails into a single expandable thread, so you don't have to hunt through sent items to see what you wrote. Right below that, choose All Messages from the selected conversation. This tells Outlook to include every message that belongs to that conversation, not just the ones in your current folder. With this option enabled, your replies from sent items will appear right alongside incoming messages in the thread, making the entire back and forth easy to follow. When you're done, make sure to click Save. If you don't save, Outlook will keep the old view and your replies may still be hidden in a separate folder. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you prefer to scan new emails one by one, you can always return here later and turn Conversation View off. But most people find that keeping messages grouped reduces clutter and makes long email chains easier to navigate. Also, if you don't see the exact labels I mentioned, you're likely still in the Quick Settings panel. Be sure you're in Mail, then Layout, and you'll see Message Organization. That's it. With conversation grouping on and all messages included, Outlook will consistently show your replies directly inside the thread. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, clearer inbox.